If you're preparing to ship your vehicle overseas, already at post, and need coverage for your vehicle in country, or anything in between, we've got the coverage you need for your vehicle. The Office of Logistics Management's It's Your Move Guide recommends that you obtain private insurance that covers both transit and at-post protection for your automobile. Our World Auto policy is designed to seamlessly cover all elements of transit and cover your vehicle at post. There are 4 coverage areas. All perils transit coverage provides a much higher level of protection. For example, in-transit marring, scratching, humidity, and mold damage is covered. Full coverage for transit is automatically included for government personnel, including all perils coverage. This higher level of protection is not found in most transit policies. Uninterrupted protection is probably the most important consideration for protecting your car. This policy simply follows your car, seamlessly safeguarding it regardless of whether it is being transported, parked, or driven abroad. This approach eliminates gaps in protection that can leave you exposed in the event of a claim. Comprehensive coverage protects your vehicle when it is parked overseas from things like damage, vandalism, and theft. Also, unlike other policies, we protect your automobile from political violence, ensuring that damage caused by riots or other civil disturbances is also covered. Your collision protection safeguards your car while driven overseas, providing coverage in the event your car is damaged in an accident, including if the other driver is at fault but uninsured, which is very common in developing countries. Most lien holders require that you provide proof of transit and at-post coverage. Our policy more than fulfills lien holder requirements. Local third-party liability coverage provides protection in the event of an accident that results in damage or injury to others. It is important to understand that the required auto liability coverage needs to be purchased in the country in which you are posted in order to register, obtain plates, and legally drive your vehicle. In some countries, we can provide this mandatory coverage, so be sure to check our website or call our Foreign Service team to see if we can offer this coverage in the country you're posted in. In many cases, the local mandatory liability policy provides very minimal protection. Our excess liability coverage simply adds a significantly higher amount of liability coverage, $500,000 or $1 million, on top of the locally required policy. Most countries' mandatory liability limits are very minimal. Foreign Service members that have been on assignment overseas before tell us that the locally required policy puts plates on the car, but the real liability protection comes from our excess liability coverage. We'd like to hear from you. If you have any questions or would like to help purchasing your policy, please do not hesitate to contact our Foreign Service team with any questions.